Hey guys, Weston here with Tribble Painting. So today we're out in Ann Arbor and we are starting a new job, and it's kind of a unique job. We're actually doing the basement walls and the floor down here. So we'll end up getting all of the loose paint scraped off, get the walls primed, and then we're going to be painting the walls 2 coats with white paint, so it's going back white. And then we'll be painting the floors. Let me get a good shot for you. Right here, we'll be painting the floors with some portion floor to give it that durability for high traffic areas. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be awesome. Alright guys, so we just got done with the spraying. That's the first coat, so we just need to get that dried down and then we'll be able to run back through and do the second coat. After that, we're going to jump into handwork and we're going to knock out anything that we're not able to get with the sprayer. Once that's done, the walls will be finished and we'll be able to jump right into the floor. So we'll get the floor swept and mopped and we'll be able to hop right into painting it. Stay tuned. So the next thing we're going to do is hop into the floors, start getting the floors painted. We've already got it cut out, so now we just got to get the floors rolled out, and stay tuned. Alright guys, that has us finished up for the basement. The homeowner is extremely happy and excited about the work that went on. Everything looks gorgeous. I do want to let y'all guys know that if you ever get your basement floor painted, make sure to give it at least 3 days before putting any kind of foot traffic on it. The paint really needs that time to bond to the surface of the floor. So it may appear dry, it may feel dry, but underneath it, it could still be bonding. So that's why you want to give it those 3 days. The homeowner knows this and he understands, and everything's working out just right. If y'all guys like the content that you're seeing, make sure to look us up at www.tribblepainting.com, or you can look us up on YouTube, give us a follow, give us a like, maybe subscribe. That would be fantastic. And you can check us out on Instagram. Thanks guys.